So everyone able to see, right, my screen?
Yes, Kiran.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your confirmation. Okay, yesterday we are done from the some scripting enhancements. Okay. Uh, so thank you. Okay. Just today I will explain from the in correlation point of view what kind of interview questions they will ask, and we'll discuss all things. Okay. So like correlation nothing but already we know the what is the correlation and how many ways we can do the correlation, like manual correlation and auto correlation. What is the manual correlation function? Nothing but like we want to do from the like find the dynamic value in our script and find the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary, and find the dynamic value, okay, where to we can write the function and substitution. So we discussed this all right. So today we'll discuss from the okay different topic, that is the functions we can use. So as of now in our script, what functions you are observed? So we have the some web functions will be there, LR functions. Web functions means nothing but these all will be web functions. And LR functions means LR start transaction, LR think time. These are the this one, because is the interview questions they will ask from the do you know from the any web functions, do you know from the any LR functions they will ask. First we can, once we can record the script what are the functions generating, and when we are doing from the scripting enhancements what are the functions we are observed, we'll discuss. Okay, so first thing, go into the web functions, WebSocket option. So which purpose we can use WebSocket option means, as a developer when is developing from the application, he will give from the some SSL version, like they will develop from the SSL 1.2, 1.3 and SSL 2 by 3, so they will develop. So when we are record the script, we need from the SSL version also, sometimes will be very mandatory. So that is the way it will be generated from the function webset socket option. And you can observe also SSL version is auto nothing but if it is anything like TLS 1.2 or 1.0 or whatever maybe, so that is why it is automatically it is generated function. This is the web. And you can observe here web break find. What is the web break find? Okay, we want to validate the correct response. Exactly we are going to the correct response or not, we want to know, means we are using from the web break find. That is the one of the validation point. So in our script, if you are doing from the correlation, like if you are doing from the scripting enhancements, each and every request above you must provide the this validation point. Why? Because if you give in only that validation point, we are exactly correct page we are going or not, we are able to understand. So that is the one of the web function web break find. And you can observe here web break save param. What is the web break save param function? It is a correlation function. To handle the dynamic value point of view, we are using for the web break save param. And we have the other function also, we have the correlation functions, web break save param ex, web break save param reg exp, web break save param jsl. So we have that these all will be web break save param functions. And once we can record the script, we are able to see the some functions, web functions, web URL. What is the web URL? Nothing but like when you are clicking to the application, it is generated from the web URL function. So and coming to the next request, you can observe. So this is the web submit data. So what is the web submit data? Nothing but you are submitting to the data to the application, like you are entering from the some username password, or you are entering from the some details to the application. When you are submitting to the application some data, so it will be generated as a web submit data. Okay, and we can observe any other things apart from this. We can observe web break separum already we know, web URL we know. So as same to the, these will be as per script we are using as of now. You want from the many web functions means we can go to the view and here step toolbox will be there. Click on step toolbox, and you can see the here many functions, web functions. If you click from the web underscore, so we are seeing from the many functions: web custom request, web image, and web stream. And you can observe, so only important things you can know. Everything means we have the multiple functions. So first thing you should be, what are the functions we are using in our script. That is a very good thing, like web URL, web submit data, web breakpoint, web socket option, and web break say param ex reg exp. And so these all will be, we are good. And apart from this, we can observe web image also. So what is the web image? Nothing but, so we are validating from the web breakpoint is a text based. You can observe, if you go here, you are validating for the this web breakpoint is a which based, text based. So you can observe, so we are giving from the text is equal to, you are given, you are provided as a text is equal, means this text it will be there in the response, your script will be going to the next page. Same way we have the web image also will be there. So this web image also, if you click here, so this is the step name, like you can give from the web image whatever maybe, and you can click from the property and view, means you can just click on OK. See, it is a web image, and here we need to provide from the double colon comma last, and we can close the OK. Okay, last already came, right? I don't right. Okay, so now we can observe, so this is the syntax, like this is the name. So if you are doing from the launch, means you can give from the launch only. Okay, now we need to provide from the here, what we need to provide here is the important thing. So for example, if you go to the application, we'll go to the application, you can observe, so we can see the application, this is the launch one. Okay, we are taking from the, these are the text, that will be everyone will be know, because we are doing from the text verification point, that is why we are validating the text. Now we are validating from the through image also. We can, image means this HP image, maybe this web tour also some image will be there, this is the image, this is the image. So what we need to write there means, we can just click for that page, and if you want validate as an image, view page source, and here you can observe some src is equal to header.html, that is the one image address. And if you want means src this logic some true, this is the one. So these are the there in this particular page. So this everything you need to copy the this src thing. Okay, copy this and go to the script, and you need to provide from the, like here src this. Okay, now we can observe, so already we know load runner variable, we don't know the double colon, that is why we need provide from the slash. And you can observe any other places. Okay, here also you have, so you can provide. Okay, now your script is done. So now you can validate this. So just you can save this and you can execute this. So web image also one of the verification point. Okay, we got some error. What is that error? Okay, there is connect HTML based functions. So we got some error. Web image, sorry, underscore check also we have web image check. So same to the, we can how to syntax also, if you want means we can go to the, we have the function help also will be there. Just you can click from the function F1. So it will show the your like help how to you can write syntax and all things also it will display here. So you can observe web image check. So you can observe verify the presence of the specific image inside as a HTML page. So if you want for the syntax, you can go here and with see web image check. This is the constant care and we need to provide from the just src we need to provide. You can observe src. You can last. So that's it. So if you want example means you can click on this example image check, then you are able to see the real time thing. So you can observe this is the web image check and we are providing from the that just alt when is that is the src as an image. So we can do from the this function also, using this function also we can do from the our scripting, like if you want from this. So now again we'll save this and we'll execute. See, now your script will be pass. Now you need to understand. So this space really it is valid or not if you want means we can like see the output means you can click here and go to the replay log. So you can observe web image check started and you can observe verification image web image check was successful. If it is wrong, you will get from the function will be mismatch. For example, we'll give from the some uh, 1 2 3 something I'm giving wrong and we'll observe it is valid or not we can observe.
Kiran, what is that showing that like web image check is skipped or something it is showing, right?
Web image check.
Is skipped is also showing, right, on the top of that
Yeah, yeah,
column.
yeah. We need to enable that also, like we can go to the here right in recording options we need to enable the web image check also. Okay, that is why it is showing that here
Okay.
we have the functions will be there. You can web break find also you need to enable, don't need to do from the every time. Okay, as same to the we have the in runtime settings also we have the content type will be there. There we need to enable from the web image check also. If you observe in runtime settings, see here you can observe enable this one. So you need to check that enable image and text checks, so then it will be you will not get from that kind of error. So SM2 that is not a issue because you are able to validating that. So that is why no worry. SM to the as per my knowledge, no need from the that. What is the no need from the web break file. So you can observe I given wrong. It is your script is failed. So because SRC means every time you need to go to the every page and you need to take from the text. So that is a very difficult because we have the lot of lines of code. So if you want every request above you need to keep means every page you need to go to the like this and take from the source code and you can copy paste it and again you do miss. That is a very difficult thing. Like it will take from the script also it will take from the more time. So that is why what you need to do means, so just apart from this you can use this method because when you are recording the script you can observe when you are recording the script you can mention from the like in the recording options you can check this. Okay, in the advanced you need to check from the this one generate web break find functions page titles and click on OK. Then what will happen means automatically the web break find will be each and every page above, like each and every request above it will be generated. Okay, okay. So Yeah, so you can uncheck, you can check and click on OK, and you can record, and you are able to each and every page also you will get from this web break file. So just interview point of view, how many ways we can do from the validation means we can do from the web break file, and web image also you can explain. And web image means it's a image verification for each page. Web break file means we want to verify the text in the every page. It's clear this, right? So everyone. So now we can observe from the remaining functions also. So important functions I am explain. Okay. See, this is the web image check. Okay, just now we discussed, and we have the web add headers. So if you want to add any headers, you can use from the web add header. And cookies also, you want to clean the cookies and web cleanup cookies. Using to clean the cookies, we are using for the web cleanup cookies. And we have the this is also important, web concurrent start and end. So which purpose it will use from the web concurrent and start and end, nothing but. So for example, you are given from the like some starting from the click on flight to payment up to. So you are given from the starting, here is the start is the this concurrent, and end is this, means what will happen means your script will be executed from the there to there, it will throw from the like concurrently it will send the your request. That the purpose we can use from the, if you click also each and everything which purpose we can use also we know. So you guys go through that and you can read it. And web get in property also very important, like this web get in property, like function returns the specific information about the previous HTTP request. Like if you want from the HTTP request status code 200 or 300 400 or 500 you want, means it will be written that information. And using for the web get in property, we can find the, for example you are downloading from the some file, what is that file size also we can get from the using from the web get in property. And you can observe we are already know from this web break separum ex and regexp and this all. And we can see any other thing apart from this website certificate. Sometimes we need from the any certification, we need to provide from the website certificate. And website user also very important. And this is also we know website max html param length function. Which purpose we can use means your load runner variable, okay, that variable it is occupied 256 bytes. If it is a more than 256 bytes, we need to write from the top of the script website max html param length function, and you need to assign from the number of bytes. And going to the next, okay, web convert param. So web convert param already we discussed in the convert in the as a correlation one of the argument convert, right? Same way using for the web convert param we can convert from the text, like it's a HTML to text, plain text to URL. So here we can convert from the many ways, but convert it is only used from the HTML to URL, URL to HTML only. But using this function we can do from the HTML to URL, URL to HTML, HTML to text, and plain to text or URL. So we can do from the vice versa from the this all things. That is the web convert param. And we have the okay. So these all important for us now. As of now, for now we need from the these all important. Now these all will be web functions. So now we need from the LR function also. So LR functions means load runner functions. So in our script first we'll observe from the in our script. So you are observing from the LR start transaction, LR end transaction. So we know the everyone already which purpose we can use from the LR start and end transaction, to measure the particular transaction response time we are using from the LR start and transactions. Okay, and apart from this we can observe LR think time. So very important thing, LR think time. LR think time nothing but, so we want to delay between the two actions or two requests, we can call it as a LR think time. Delay between the two actions or two requests, we can call it as a LR think time. So that is the thing, and we can observe in our script only. Okay, and after that we'll go to the step toolbox and we'll see the remaining. Okay, and LR start and end is completed. Right now if you go to the any other thing apart from this, okay, so now you are seeing, right, for here you can observe like LR eval string. This is also load runner LR function, LR eval string. Which purpose we can use, Praveen?
For reading the data.
Yeah, we want to read that okay parameter name, then we are using for the LR eval string.
Yeah.
Okay, so like you can observe LR output message. So which purpose we can use LR output message? So we want
Okay.
to display the in output, print that output, then we are using for the LR output message. And apart from this we have any other things. Okay, we'll go to the next. Yeah, yesterday we discussed randomly, right? You can observe here randomly point of view we are used from the LR string, LR paramara random also. So LR save string nothing but we want to save the our load runner variable, we are using from the LR save string. LR paramara random means we want to capture the randomly, we are using from the random point of view, we are using from the this function LR paramara random function. Okay, means in this value it will store the here to here, that is why we are using from the LR save string. And apart from this okay, already we discussed LR eval string, LR output message, and any other thing. Okay, nothing we have. Okay, now go to the 1 minute. Yeah, step toolbars. If you see here LR abort, so LR abort nothing but it stop the execution of the action section and execute the user end section and end the execution. Nothing but if you provided LR abort, then what will happen means the particular action it will end and it will end the your section, execution will be executed. But we have the one more thing, LR exit will be there. So if stop the execution of the action section and execute the user end section and end the execution, means this will be executed from the till end when you are given from the exit. When you are given abort, so particular action it is failed, it will stop from there. That is the abort. So very important question, what is the difference between LR abort and LR exit also they will ask. And LR continue an error. So if you want to, your script will continue with the, if it is error also, if you want to continue means you need to provide from the LR continue an error. Then it what will happen means your script will be not throw. It is as a warning or it will throw error, but your script will till end it will execute, like till transaction end it will execute. And we have a lot of functions. I will explain from the as per our use only, and LR output message already we know. Okay, LR parameter index also important thing. So LR parameter index nothing but the LR parameter index as a function, right? It is a returns as a string containing like the value. For example, it's index. So for example, you have the 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there. So you want to from the index 1, index 2. If you want to call from that point of view, we are using from the LR parameter index IDX, and you can observe LR parameter random. It will generate from the random point of view. We are using from the LR parameter random. And one more thing, LR ranges is a very important point. LR ranges. So what is the LR ranges means? It is a point to instruct the users wait for the certain point, and it will arrow the once all the users will be come to that place, it will be execute from the subsequently. For example, so we are everyone getting from the salary from bank. So what will happen? As a bank, they will run from the some 10 o'clock morning 10 o'clock batch. Then what will happen? Once they will run, so all users will be going to the like payment section. It will wait from the sometimes, because you can observe once we'll get the salary, everyone will get from the immediately at a time within the like seconds difference. Like I got salary, I got salary, I got salary, everyone thing. So how they it is coming means they were giving from the some reduces point, like it will wait point. So some 60 seconds or 1 minute or 5 minutes they will give, and all users will be also coming to that page, and it will wait from that payment section. And once all users will be arrived that point, at a time it is subsequently it will execute from the your request. So that kind of things we can use from the LR ranges point. And LR save timestamp also will be there. You want to save the current date, you can use from the LR save timestamp. Okay, so we have, okay, these all will be web functions and LR functions. So as per our convenient, we can use from the our functions. So if it is what are the functions? So just interview ask, like tell me from the any LR and web functions. What you are exactly, you are able to explain from those. You need to give from those answers to the team. Got it? So these are the LR and web functions, and same to the like I want to from the, for example, we are written from the like this web reg find, right? So I want from the pass condition also. Okay, okay, it's a web functions LR functions completed. Now just I am giving from the one more okay example. Okay, web break find will be there. I want from the pass or failed checkpoint, pass or failed condition. So that point of view we need to write from the some if else condition. So if you go to the in our right, this is the if else condition. If a to I nothing but integer to like string to integer. A to I means string to integer means whatever maybe it will be there, it will convert from the string to integer also. And LR evolve string, and we are reading from the what is the name you are giving from the web break find here, right? Here I given from the some save count is equal login. So save count nothing but we want to how many times the particular test will be there, we are giving from the save count. So what is the name you are given in your login, right? Same thing you need to provide from the in this LR you are string as a load runner variable you need to provide, and equal to 0. Then what will happen, right? So this text it is calculated, it is the 0, it is the 0. Then what happen? The sign of is equal 0 means the welcome is not there in that page, so that is why you got from the count is 0. Then what will happen? You will get from the LR output message checkpoint is failed, else maybe it is a more than 1, then else LR output message checkpoint is pass you will get. So you can observe, if we'll copy this and we'll put it from the script and we'll observe.
What is A to I, Kiran? Sorry, I missed it.
String, yeah, string to integer. We want to see converting from the string to integer, integer to string. We can use from the A to I function. So the particular thing, right? What you are giving from the here login is equal save count nothing but it's a 3 or 4 it is coming. Okay. So that is why it is a string to integer we are converting. That is why we are written as a to I. How we are written from the strcmp, right? Same way we are giving from that. Now you can, after the request only we need to write from this. Okay, and don't write from the above of the LR and transaction. For any code, anything you are writing from any customization, don't write from the LR and above, because why I am telling is if you give here sometime it will take, right? The code also it will execute from the sometime it will take. Then what will happen? It will count from the your start and end transaction or response time. So that is why don't give from the above of this, below of the this start and end start, in between you need to provide from this anything if you want, right? And now you can provide from the okay checkpoint condition already we written. So you can observe if a to I LR UR string login equal to 0, LR output message checkpoint is failed, else LR output message checkpoint is pass. So already we are executed, right? If you want means you can go to the here and you can observe from the okay what message you got. See, login is equal to you got, that is why checkpoint is passed. So this point of view we are using from the these things. Okay, I'm sharing from the chart window to the everyone for this. Also you can keep it and you can use.
But what is the use, Kiran? Because anyway, like we are validating the test, right, on the top of that one. So
Yeah,
what
we
is
are
the use?
yeah, nothing, just that will be like debugging point of view, and if anyone see also it is a pass or failed, and we are able to exactly go into the correct page or not, whatever maybe it's fine. If you're not given also no problem. So if you are seeing from the like someone see your script,
No, no.
okay, it's written from
What is the recommended approach? Because so see,
that will be actually that will be no need as per my knowledge, no need, because just you are giving from the pass or fail point of only.
because in every page, like we used to put the assertions, right, like validating the
Yeah, valid.
test
That's
assertion. So
that is fine.
if we have to add for each page means like after and at the end of the transaction, we have to give like multiple values, right? So multiple,
Yes,
we have to
yes,
repeat the same code in multiple piece of lines, right?
yes.
So is there any way that we can write once and reuse it in the other places?
Yeah, we can use reuse it. Okay.
Okay.
So, so this is the today class. Anyone have any doubt regarding this?